From South Africa, Ladysmith Black Mambazo.
Black Mambazo has become an international brand, but they have a history. They started their career back in Ladysmith, but their career flourished when they came here to Durban in a township called Claremont. Black Mambazo is a global brand, and our partnership, we think it's a partnership made in heaven, because as eThekwini we have a vision to be the warmest and most welcoming city by 2030. And we believe that using Black Mambazo as one of our ambassadors is key to that vision. Black Mambazo, when they are going out to the world, they are not only taking the brand of South African music and the history of Durban, but they are also taking Durban as a city and as a tourist destination.
To the managers and of the city of Durban, we are happy. We thank them for finally recognizing what Ladysmith Black Mambazo has been doing all these years. So we are very happy. We'd like to keep the relationship going. We are from Durban, we are from South Africa. We are happy to tell the people about our country and our beautiful city of Durban.